Rodan? Anguirus? Mothra? Anyone? Nothing? Guess I'm going this alone, so I'm gonna be watching fireworks, doing things, and trying not to explode. Large, shiny, glowy straws. Ooh! Ooh! Japan! Now those were the days! Let me drink from you! Let me drink from you! I want to drink from you, straw! If you're a straw and you're too big for me to drink out of, then we got a set of issues here. Ooh, Mexico! Don't have any fond memories of Mexico. Japan, on the other hand, ooh, a fence! Ooh, a fence! Let me in! Let me in! That's a big honking tower. I'm one with the grass is with me. 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 Ooh, a hill! Is any slight incline in the land? Let's do this. Yeah. I look down on all of you. I am the king of the hill! Yes, the ancient and noble sordid history of the potato people. They're just potatoes, that's it. There's not much to see here. Ooh, Loch Ness. Hey Nessie, are you down there? Nothing? Really? Okay. Yeah, that's cool and all. When are the fireworks supposed to start? Woo! Oh yeah, they're shooting at something. I think it's a flying saucer. Ooh, a flagpole. I'm scared. Things are exploding. There's flashing lights everywhere. These noises are too loud. I'm around. It's a giant murder fest. What is going on? Uh-oh. Happy Independence Day, everyone. This video will definitely be out after the Americans blew everything up, but when exactly is an enigma to me, much like vegetables, where the light goes in the refrigerator. And could you stop blowing up the sky? Why are you all cheering? That was horrifying. I'm gonna go ice my shattered eardrums. Oh, you guys think you're good at blowing stuff up? Well, la-dee-da. Why don't I just come over there and teach you myself? Godzilla, no! Ooh, another fence. This looks important. What is that? Holy moly. That is, a very short, very short, telephone pole. Oil extractor. What are you? Tell me. I need names. I need people. Tell me. There's Isaac Industries, the evil building. Keep telling everyone, don't go near that evil building because they keep turning people into ketchup. But no one listens to the crazy guy.